Alright, once again, just to explain exactly what we're doing, here we have Ed Stoller's tester. There's a ground, there's a test lead, which is this black lead, and there's an input, which is white. We've connected the white lead to his blue test lead, which leads to the capacitor in the front stator, which corresponds to the lower cylinder on this two-cylinder engine. So what we're going to do is we're going to crank it 3 times, build up a charge at the capacitor, and then we're going to connect the test lead to the red probe from the multimeter. As you can see, we have the multimeter set to 200 volts, and we're going to give it a test and see what happens. Here we go. I'm going to do 3 quick cranks. Kind of a sticky rope puller here. The gear needs to be adjusted. Well, we got 3 pulls there, so we should have the charge we're looking for. And if you look at the multimeter, as I connect this cable, you can see the charge is 90. Very briefly there, it stopped at 90. Alright, so that tests the front of the CDI assembly. And now we're going to test the back side. This module here, capacitor in it, should be the exact same as the capacitor on the other side, which means theoretically it should hold 90 volts. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect the test lead and take the other test lead that Ed Stoller installed, connecting them. A little bit of charge, I guess, of that capacitor that's slowly discharging. I'm now going to disconnect. Alright, so here we are. I'm going to do 3 quick pulls. We're going to test the back side of the stator, which corresponds to the top of the engine, to the top cylinder. And here we go. Alright, here we go with our quick test. If you watch the multimeter, 57, which is consistent with the results that I've been getting all along. We believe, Ed Stoller believes, especially, I'm really very new at outboard engines, and it's been a long time since I've worked with diodes and whatnot. But Ed believes that there might be a bad diode in here. He also believes that we're not getting a strong enough current from the magnet, and we might try to install a rare earth magnet into the spool to boost the amount of current and hopefully charge up that capacitor to the peak voltage of 90, so it'll be the same as the other side.